To filter Best Places public transportation, start by visiting the Best Places website and navigating to the public transportation section. This website provides detailed information on various cities and their public transportation systems, allowing you to compare and filter options based on your needs. First, select the city you are interested in and click on the public transportation link. This will take you to a page with an overview of the city's public transportation system, including buses, trains, and subways. Look for the filter options, which are usually located on the side or top of the page. The filter options allow you to narrow down your search by mode of transportation, such as bus or train, as well as by commute time, frequency, and cost. You can also filter by location, such as neighborhoods or popular destinations. For example, if you are looking for a city with a comprehensive public transportation system and a short commute time, you can filter by cities with a high public transportation score and a commute time of under 30 minutes. You can also filter by cost, such as cities with free or low-cost public transportation options. Best practices for filtering Best Places public transportation include being specific with your search criteria, using multiple filters to narrow down your options, and considering factors such as convenience, affordability, and reliability. It is also important to research the city's public transportation system in depth, including reading reviews and talking to locals, to get a comprehensive understanding of the options available. By following these steps and using the filter options effectively, you can find the best public transportation options for your needs and make an informed decision about which city to visit or live in. The key is to be thorough in your research and to consider multiple factors when evaluating public transportation options.